YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Zoe Patience and you are very welcome here. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. It's the red button at the somewhere under there. It's written subscribe and I promise it's free and you'll have a good time. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's so good to have you. My name is Zoe Patience and I'm very excited because yesterday was Monday and I turned 21 years old. Yeah, I'm old now. So I'm very excited because I'm 21 now and it's just exciting. On the 25th of January I was on Wish just slowly scrolling around and then I saw this ring light that was costing $8. Hey, let's get it. So past how many days later the parcel has arrived. I'm not going to show you this side because this is the side that has my shipping details, but yeah, so I thought I would unbox it and maybe just try to see if like it's a good ring light, just do a little review of this $8 ring light. And the best part about this is when I got this, Wish had given me the special promotion where everything I was buying was free shipping, so I paid $8 only for this. I have a few more things coming. I'm going to do a review of those. It's also for my YouTube channel, but this is $8. Now $8 is like 100 rand in South Africa, so if this is the real deal, I mean, like right now if you see on the screen there's like a little brown thing in front of me, that's my lamp. I'm using my study lamp to make my YouTube videos. Dedication. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So let's see what's inside. It looks super tiny. This is from the order that I made. This is supposed to be 26 centimeters. So I guess 26 centimeters is not that big either. So let's just open it. Ooh. It's so tiny. It's as big as my head, literally. Like, hi guys, it's so tiny, but yeah, this is how it looks. Now I have a ring light now. It's so cute though. So this is basically how it looks like. This is the USB port. This is like you can plug it on your laptop or you can just plug it on the wall. So this is how it looks, and it has the universal mounting thing, so I can put this on my tripod and then I can put my camera through here, so there's like a space for my camera here. So yeah, it's so tiny though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch off my lamp. Yeah, that's how my room looks with my my light on and my lamp off. I'm gonna switch on my light and I'll be back. Okay, so this is my room without the lamp and without my light. So now we're gonna try this out. I'll plug it onto my laptop. So now let's see how I look. Should I do it like this or like that? I think I'm gonna do it like this. Ooh, guys! Do you see that? This is like, do you see that though? I mean, side view, but like it will be here on my camera. So guys, do you see that? Okay, including my lamp. Okay, it's bright. Okay, it's bright. It's not as bright as my lamp. My lamp is like super bright. Oh, that's off. On, off, on, off, on. And then there's this button. It's a plus button, I'm not sure. Then there's this. Oh, that's like another lighting. I don't really like this. I don't like it. And then the last setting is this one. It's like bluish. I don't like it. I like the first one. It's what's going on? How many settings are here? So it's pretty good though. Look at that. Wish is doing the things. So when it comes to feeling, it feels super cheap It feels like something I would buy for my nephew, like as a toy car. It's very super cheap, but again, I got it for $8 and it's a ring light and it's electronic and it's working, so I'm not complaining actually. And it has 3 settings, okay? It's $8 and you get this. If I want to look blue or like an ice queen, this is giving me ice vibes. If I want to look like an ice queen, I can do that. And I also have this setting here. I think this is actually my favorite because when it's far, it kind of looks very nice. So yeah, these are the 3 settings on the ring light, and I think I like it, guys. I don't know, what do you think? I mean, it's tiny, that's for sure. My head can like, with my braids, especially with the style that I have on my braids. Let's give some light to that style. With the style that I have on my braids, it can't even like get through my head, so it's that small. Measuring it with my head, I have a relatively small head. I ordered a few other things on Wish, so please guys, let me just put that here like that, so you can reduce the brightness. That's literally like off, or you can add the brightness to be like what you want. When you change to this one, I can also reduce the brightness, or I can add the brightness basically. And right now this is operating with my lamp and my light off, but this is really cool. And thank you Wish for delivering it on time. It's like 2 weeks and it's here now, so that's great. Do you think you will take some time to invest into this ring light? And you like my hair? I kind of like my hair. If this was like your like a comeback, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below if you would be willing to buy a ring light for 100 rand or $8. This was very exciting for me, so thank you so much for watching this video. I am very excited. I love you so much, and you are a very beautiful and gorgeous human being. Don't forget to have a good day, don't forget to pray, and have a blessed day, have a blessed week, and have a blessed month. So see you in the next video, and bye.